Hello everybody. Today we will learn what are variables in Python. Let's create a new file and for example we will name it by variables. So let's save it first before we start working on it. Name it by variables. So after we had saved the file, here variables are, for example, when you give the Python file something. For example, you give him G, it will equal to, for example, 11. So the program sees that G is 11. That what G is 11. And let's do another thing. For example, L will equal to 1. And let's run the program so we will show you something. Okay. So here, like this. And here is the run. So G will equal to 11 and L will equal to 1. So if you will give the running model, for example, G, that is 11 plus 1, plus L, enter, it will give you 12. Because he is seeing G as 11 and L equals to 1. So what he did, he plus these two numbers. For example, let's give him now minus. G minus L. See? Yes, it equals 10. So let's give him multiply. G multiplied by L equals to 11. That's right. Let's give him, for example, divide now. G divided by L equals to 11.0. It's right. So now, variables, you give something and equals to something. Means something will equal to something. And when you run the program will see it is. And even if you can add more. So let's close this one and do like this. Let's give him H will equal to 21 and then we'll run the model. Okay, so easily now we can add these three also. G plus L plus H and equals to 33. See? See 3 and 3. That's right. Also, you can give him all of these numbers minus. But we need it in a correct way. So we start from the biggest one, that is H, and then minus, and then G, and then minus, and then 1. L equals to 9. So 21, 1 minus 11 equals to something, and then minus 1 equals to 9. Let's make multiply. H multiplied by G multiplied by L equals to 131. So now we had understood variables. Also, when you had run the model, you can give him a variable. Means M will equal to 9. Okay, he took this information, but he will not put it in the Python file. He'll put it in the shell, Python shell. And then when you give him, for example, H, that is in the Python file, it equals to 21 and plus M will equals to 30. So now we had understood, and bye.